Hey guys, Richard here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well wherever you are. So on today's video, I'm going to be doing an quick unboxing of my new food processor from KitchenAid. I bought this a few days ago and it just got here a couple days ago. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I already opened just the top. But this is the new KitchenAid 3.5 cups mini size. I got it in the color contour silver. I wanted the green one originally so I could match my hand mixer that is also KitchenAid. But everywhere in my country is sold out for some reason, so I had to get either this one or a red one, so I just chose to get the silver gray looking color. I also am going to be doing an unboxing of my KitchenAid stand mixer, so stay tuned for that video. But for now, I'm going to be showing you guys the food processor. And it had some wrapping, but I already took it off. But yeah, this is how it looks like. It's very cute, very compact, perfect size for what I need. And also the top of the lid, what I love about this already, if you pour oil or ice water when you're making a pie crust, oil for pesto and stuff like that, there's a hole here that you can just pour stuff into. So easy while it's already mixing, just pour whatever you want to pour in there. Pour it up, you know, and yeah, so it has two settings here. This one is chop. That one is the chop. This one is the puree. Most likely I'm going to be using puree more because I need it for nuts and shredded coconut and stuff like that. I need it for baking. That's why I bought this, but yeah, let me just show you guys. So the lid just comes off like that. And on the lid itself, this is where you push the button so you can mix everything. And then when you just turn to the left, and you can get that right out. And yeah, there's only one blade that this comes with. Looks like that. But yeah, I can't wait to use this. I'm so excited. And I'm going to actually be using this today right after I film this video. But yeah, if you guys have any questions below about baking, let me know down in the comments below. I'm going to be doing a lot of fall baking this month, so that's why I really needed some heavy duty little guy at the same time to help me out with this. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys are safe and doing well, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.